Chi, can you build me a super big truck? I want to get my toys and put them all inside. Of course. But why do you want to put the toys in the truck? It's convenient to transport my toys. It's too slow for me to take them one by one. I want to use the truck to load them all up and take them to play somewhere else. Okay, no problem. Today we're going to build a super truck for Lele. Let's first take a look at what parts the truck is made of. The truck has a big front and a long body. The body and the front have a lot of wheels underneath. How are the front and the body connected? There's a joint in the middle. Now let's start building it. Find 4 small black balls. Let's put them together as our truck front. First, get blocks. Let's surround it. I'm using rectangular blocks. First, press the seams. Like this. First, press the seams. Okay, find 2 door frames. Let's use them as doors. 1 on each side, and then let's add another layer. When building to the 3rd layer, let's add the rear mirrors. You can use 2 screw bricks. Find small squares. Raise it. Leave the position for the windows in the middle. 3 small squares. Then we use rectangles to seal the top. Then our windows and doors are built. Now let's build the back of the car. Let's make it 2 layers taller. After building 2 layers, we need to find such screw bricks. Because later, our car needs to be connected to our car body. So we need to make a hinge for it. Connect them. Tighten the small screws. 123. Put it in the middle position. Then we can just raise both sides. Now our cab has doors, windows and rear view mirrors. Now let's seal its top. I used this kind of curved brick for its top. Okay, rectangle in the back. Like this, let's build another layer up. Still using curved bricks. Like this, the front of the car has a curve. Then use small thin pieces to make it more secure. Now our car's front is built. We put in some small seats inside. Its small seats are installed. Next, let's build its large body. Find 6 such base plates. Let's put them together. Like a 7-legged stone, piece together a large rectangle for it. This large carriage, let's first enclose it with a circle. Enclose it. Still use rectangular blocks to press the seams. Also press the gaps in the middle. Like this. It has been locked. Then we find blocks. Then enclose it with circles. Put them next to it. Like washing feet, just enclose it in a rectangular shape. Now, let's flip it over. Let's install the wheels. First, install the rear wheels. Front wheels 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the wheels on the truck body are assembled. Let's install the wheels on the truck front. Let's add a small blackboard to it. Installing the wheels. The wheels are installed. Let's install its headlights too. The wheels of the truck are installed. Let's connect the truck head and the truck body together. Now, we need to install a turntable that can rotate. This way, whichever direction our truck head goes, our truck body will follow our truck head and go in the same direction. This is our small turntable. Install a small blackboard. Also install our turntable. Then tighten the small screws. 123. Pay attention when installing. Our turntable should be in the exact middle of the car body. Connect 123. You're done. Now our truck head and body are connected. Next, many people must think that Teacher Chichi just needs to raise the car body. No. Teacher Chichi wants to give our car a head wrap. We'll install a door that opens upwards. Let's start building it. In these 2 spots at the back of the truck, we're going to put on a 3-hole beam. And then we're going to raise these 2 sides. Teacher Chichi's truck body is built. Here, I've added 7 layers, with 6 layers of bricks, and 1 layer of thin pieces. What else is not installed? It's just that this car door here is really simple. I used 6 9-hole beams. Let's put it here. I've installed 2 3-hole beams on both sides. And there are also 3-hole beams below. So Chichi found 6 9-hole beams early on. Let's put it in the middle. Then you need to use an axle to put it through. 1, 2, now it can be opened. Our truck is going to carry a lot of things. Prevent the goods from falling out here. So Chichi prepared a door lock for it. If we want the rear door to remain still, we'll plug in the door lock. If we want to open this door, we'll take out this door lock. Then it can be opened. And it can also turn this way. Open, and then I'll put on 2 little red flags for it. Okay, Lele, your big truck is finished. Come try it. Woo, the super truck is here.